Good job. It is an elephant. Elephants are some of the most amazing and gentle creatures on our planet, and they're a favorite among many kids. These enormous animals are known for their big ears, which help them stay cool, and their long, trunk-like noses that can do all sorts of things, from picking up food to giving their friends a friendly squirt of water. Elephants live in close-knit families called herds, and they love to play and take care of each other. Despite their size, they're incredibly kind-hearted and always ready to lend a helping trunk to those in need. So, next time you think of elephants, remember the beauty of these gentle giants and the importance of protecting their homes in the wild. Good job! It is a mouse. Mice are tiny, adorable creatures that can be found scurrying around in fields, forests, and sometimes even in our own homes. They have soft, furry coats that come in various colors like gray, brown, and white. Mice are excellent at making cozy nests to sleep in and enjoy munching on delicious seeds, grains, and cheese. These little adventurers are incredibly curious and love exploring their surroundings, but they're also quite shy and prefer to stay hidden from larger animals. Just like in your favorite storybooks, mice have a special place in the world and remind us that even the tiniest creatures can be full of wonder and charm. Good job! It is a monkey. Monkeys are playful and lively animals that bring joy to the jungle and capture the hearts of children all around the world. With their furry coats, long tails, and expressive faces, monkeys are nature's little acrobats, swinging from tree branches and leaping through the treetops with astonishing agility. They live in families called troops and love to chatter and groom each other, showing how much they care for their friends. Monkeys are as curious as they are clever, always exploring, learning, and having fun. Just like you, they enjoy climbing and playing games, reminding us of the importance of friendship, laughter, and adventure in our lives. Good job! It is a pig. Pigs are absolutely charming animals with their round bodies, curly tails, and cute snouts. These clever creatures are not only adorable but also very smart. Pigs come in various colors, like pink, black, and spotted, and they love to roll around in the mud to keep cool because they don't have sweat glands. They're great at finding tasty treats like roots and vegetables with their sensitive noses. Pigs are social animals, often living in groups, and they have a real knack for making friends and enjoying each other's company.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.